Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be upgrading my trusted Uniden R3 radar detector to the new R8. We're going to do a quick size comparison. I'm going to show you how I mounted it, including hardwired it to my BMW M5. I'm going to tell you exactly what drove me to purchase this particular one, and at the end we'll conclude whether or not the upgrade is worth it. Let's start with a size comparison. This is the R3 and underneath is the R8. As you can see, not only is it thicker, but it is also longer. However, if you mount it properly, it will still blend in your field of vision. In my case, I'm using a mount. I do not recommend it. Right off the bat, I want to say I do not recommend it because it rusts. I have two of them, and two of them rusted. I actually ended up putting this vinyl tape here. There you go, laser. And also it shakes. I use a better one, and actually better and cheaper in my Tesla. I'm going to link it in the description. It's more universal, so use that. But anyways, size doesn't matter in this case because we're going to be mounting it properly. And when it comes to the wiring, I have it hardwired using this particular cable I got on Amazon. I'm going to link it down in the description. And I mounted it to the back. Pretty straightforward. As long as you tap it in the back, make sure nothing moves, make sure it's zip tied properly, and you don't have to run any wires to the fuse box. But now let's disconnect it. Let's remove it from the mounting location and install the new one. And of course, the most satisfying part of this install is this. Okay, this is a two-hand job. You press this clip, it slides into place, and then on the other side, you plug it into the socket. When it comes to setting it up, there are so many videos out there. I don't have to walk you through any of it, but there are two ways of doing it. You can use the menu here, or you can use the app. So it's an awesome upgrade. One of the reasons why I upgraded it. But by far the biggest reason why I upgraded from the R3 to the R8 are the directional arrows. I simply got tired of not knowing where the signal is coming from. If the police officer is behind me, I could speed up. If the police officer is in front of me, I will obviously slow down. I simply want to know that detail, and the R8 gives me that. The R8 also is supposed to be a lot more sensitive, work on a longer distance, and has a lot more advanced options that I'm not going to go into because again, there are a lot of videos out there like that. I will keep you posted on how I like this experience, but just knowing that I have the arrows is really a win for me. I'm going to link in the description for you, as well as all the parts and tools, like the hardwiring kit and all of that, so you know exactly what to get. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And thank you very much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.